Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone is updated, signed into iCloud, and on the same Wi-Fi network as the TV. Next, identify the TV's control method, built-in smart app, AirPlay support, or an IR accessory, because that determines the app or hardware you'll use. Once done, add the Apple TV remote to Control Center if the TV supports AirPlay. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled. These first steps get you ready to pair or install the right remote interface without wasting time. Now you perform the core setup. If using the TV Maker's app, sign in, select your model, and complete pairing by entering the on-screen code. This links features like Guide and Power. For AirPlay or Apple TV Remote, open Control Center, tap Remote, choose the target, and type its pairing code to authenticate. This enables full navigation and keyboard input. If your iPhone needs an IR dongle, connect the adapter, install its app, and allow Bluetooth and network permissions so signals route correctly. Finish by testing every control, power, volume, directional pad, and on-screen typing to ensure the iPhone handles everything you need. If controls are inconsistent, restart the iPhone, power cycle the TV, and reboot the router. Then repeat the pairing sequence because network or Bluetooth hiccups often resolve after a restart. If problems persist, reset the app's permissions or reinstall it to clear corrupt settings. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most issues before you escalate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.